Ooh, oh, ooh. Bounce, bounce. Bounce to the ounce. I would say they always doing construction in the city, but I mean that's already second nature. I think they do construction in everybody's city. But now that they putting these scooters here now, it's crazy. I mean, the scooter, they said the scooter is supposed to, oh my God, Pigeon, what are you doing? The scooters are supposed to eliminate traffic. So it's supposed to make everybody faster, but it's a lot of people that has, why are they holding $100 bills like that? Are they real or that's just fake $100 bills? I don't understand. What? Oh, it's definitely fake. Oh, it might be like a treasure hunt. Yeah, they should probably hide those because people think that that's real. And come on, guy, that's a professional scooter rider. Oh, look, it's a convertible Stang T. V6, it's a 6-cylinder, or it could be an EcoBoost. It's poop it up. What if I just did a rolling burnout, right, and then it'd be poop right there, so then it'd be like, whoa, what are you doing, minivan? I'm not letting you over. Get out of here, lady. I like convertibles. It allows you to feel the same air you would feel on a motorcycle, but in the safety of a car. People in cars be thinking we really hate cars. I do hate cars. I really do hate cars when it comes down to traffic, but I do like the comfort of cars, allowing you to have all those memories with so many people. You know what I mean? Like, you could put all your whole family in the car and everybody be like stupid happy. Huh? What? Oh yeah, road trips are crazy when you're in a car. I mean, when you're on a bike, you whee. Okay, road trip in a car or road trip on a bike, I would definitely say road trip. That's a hard one, because riding on the bike, man, you really be in your own little world, your own little bubble, but you still get to you know, be in the presence of your friends if you ride when you ride out with people. Because like when we went to Panama, it was hella cool. We was just like da, da, da. I don't even know if we talked to each other while I was riding. Okay, yeah, and the scenes did great, by the way. Mine lasts 5 hours, especially if I'm not recording, so I don't even remember it saying low battery. We went from what, Georgia to Alabama, and I didn't hear no low battery. One of these streets we got to turn left on. You want it to be this one up here? Yeah, let's just let it be this one up here. 2005 Mustang or 04? Huh? That was a 4? I'm really getting good at naming Mustangs now. Got the box lights. Wait, we can see the big, yep, it's got to be around there, because you can see the back lights, those square lights, and it don't do that river dance. 2015 is the one that had the dancing lights. Oh, okay. Yep, but look guys, this is the city. This is the city. I don't know what that is. Maybe I should start reading up on what these, we're going straight. Maybe we could, you gotta allow my blinker to do what it does, okay ma'am? Thank you. And we're gonna turn right. T is the one people that I know that will look at me turn right, but if I got my left blinker on, she's going left. And I've been trying to figure out why she gets so like upset when I have my blinker on. She'd be like, blinker. I call her the blinker cop. She blinker. Your blinker is on. And it's because she be looking at my blinker, bro. She be looking. I try to, like, I don't know, I'm starting to get used to blinkers, you know, so I don't want to act like I always had blinkers, okay? Honestly, on a bike, you don't really need blinkers because nobody really looks at it but other bikers, I guess. I mean, maybe people in cars notice them from time to time, but really, if you go left, you're going left. But when you're going with a group of bikes, everybody got to know where you at. Yeah, you gotta get that picture, T. That's a good picture. Got a lot of wall art around in this area. I'm actually surprised I haven't seen no other bikes yet. 2013 Mustang. I know y'all seen that blue. It's like if cities were smart, they would make a whole lot of locations where you could take pictures at. I mean, social media is taking over the world. So hey, I'm a city, I need to make money in my city. How do I do that? Put a lot of stuff in your city where you can take pictures. And then link every wall art to your city. So when people take pictures of it and they hit the hashtag, they see a whole city. Hello, you're welcome, extra revenue. I'm that guy. Word. And then allow the businesses that's opening up on the side to give a discount to the people that have the pictures. But then I know people would try to get over on that. Interesting. I don't know how you would keep track if a person already used that picture for hashtag. Oh, somebody's car really stink. It smell like one of those old school cars. Not to knock old school cars, guys, but I'm just saying it's a thing. Okay? Anyway, I'm gonna just cut this off because I'm just gonna keep rambling and rambling until I get there. So we're gonna pick this right back up.